Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your email address and phone number on Twitter app step by step. First, go to Twitter app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Then tap on Setting and Privacy option. Tap on your account section. Then tap on Account Information. Here you can see your phone number and email address. Tap on the phone number to change it. You need to type your current password to enter this section. Then tap on the Next button. After that, type your new phone number on the blank. Then tap on the Next button. To verify your phone number, type the code which is sent to your phone. After that, tap on Done button. Thus, the process of changing your username on Twitter app has been completed. Tap on the email address to change it. You need to type your current password to enter the section. Then tap on the Next button. After that, type your email address on the blank. To verify your email address, type the code which is sent to your email address. Thus, the process of changing your phone number and email address on Twitter app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.